Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome and thank you so very much for joining me. Today I'm taking you shopping with me at Tuesday morning. Noni and I went and look at this. There's a whole stack of Big Kicks with the green tags like they're on a Sunday special, but I haven't seen an ad that says they were coming. I don't know, maybe I slept through it. But there's like 5 or 6 of them in the Salem, Oregon store. Look at the mess. It's bad, you guys. I looked in the 12 by 12s because I really wanted to find that graphic 45 paper with the red and the green and the blue and the stars. Didn't find it. Did see a whole bunch of 12 by 12 pads of Disney paper. Of course, now that I'm not working on projects for this Mama Loves Disney, I found so much Disney stuff. I couldn't believe it. I just kind of looked around. It was obvious that when they unloaded, they just shoved it on empty pegs and like the paper crafts were mixed in with the sewing. So it was a little weird, but we looked around. There were some dies in there, but nothing that I had to have. And I was really on the hunt for like some neat embellishments. I saw somebody haul, there's a lot of snow and cocoa in the store today, which of course I'm done looking for it. I was looking for some for Zuli a while ago and there was none. But I didn't find the sentiments. I would have really liked to have those tiny sentiment stickers to do embellishments with. I didn't see those. I just didn't see much that I needed. And you're going to see that in my haul. And the one thing that I found that I thought was pretty interesting, we bought all of. So you won't see it till my haul. This is the Magnolia Jane Heidi Swap paper. I know some people were hauling it this week and it's beautiful, but I have a lot of paper, you guys. And in No Paper Left Behind, you use all of the paper in a month. So I really don't need to be buying paper unless I see something I absolutely must have. Okay, this is my haul. This is it. I used my whole gift card except for like 60 cents and I didn't buy any paper. I know it's crazy. Let me show you what I got. I picked up some of these little burlap flowers. There's 10 of them for $2.99. These aren't so much my style, and somebody might know that they're for her, but I just thought these were cute. I hadn't seen them before, and I didn't want to pass them up. So those will show up somewhere in Happy Mail. Then this is a tiny tape runner, and you may have heard me talk about Hermodotto, which was my all-time, let me see if I can grab it, my all-time favorite adhesive that is going by the wayside. So I've been trying new runners, but this one I thought is perfect for travel. Look at this little tiny thing. TSA won't care one bit. It costs $1.50, so if I lose it, I'm not sad. I thought it was adorable. There were a couple more, but I was going to get them for a Happy Mail, but then I didn't know if anyone would be interested, so I didn't. And I just realized I was going to buy another one of these, and somehow I didn't. Speaking of Happy Mail, oops. So when we were looking today, we found Gina K Thermoweb adhesive. Now, these are both actually made by Thermoweb, so maybe everybody is Thermoweb now, and I just don't know the difference. This is smaller dots, and I haven't tried Gina K adhesive at all. So I'm curious to try these. This was $2.99 for the refillable item, and then there were refills on the shelves, and they were $4.49 a piece. So $2.25 per refill. That's not too bad. And they're 30 feet. How does that compare? Well, this tiny little guy's 25. So I don't know. We'll have to see. One of the things I look for in a tape runner is it easy to load? Does it gum up? Is the thing removable at all? I mean, there are some things that I like. In a perfect world, it would be like Hermodotto where I could glue it down and then pick it up 5 minutes later if I wanted. Let's see. Let's glue something. We'll just glue random things to each other and see how it is. Okay, I'm not going to use this side of this item. Okay, it's super smooth, kind of reminds me of Hermodotto, tacky enough. So if I lay this down there, so what I want to know, I put it on, now can I take it off? Oh yeah, so in a pinch, you could take this apart again, which makes it repositionable, I think, in the short run. With the Tombow ones that I was using, I couldn't do that. Once it was down, it was down. So I think maybe this might be closer to her Madotto than anything else that I've tried lately. So I'm not sorry that I bought a bunch of them. I was going to get another one for somebody for Happy Mail, but we shared a cart and I think I got confused at the end. So maybe I didn't end up with one. Then the other thing I got, slippers. I have really big feet, so these were still left there and I was happy. My mom did recently get me some new slippers, but I have 2 pairs of slippers usually, and both of them should probably be thrown out. These are super comfy, and they were $7.99. So I was super excited. They also have a nice sturdy bottom, so I could walk around outside, I think. So that is my haul. It was not very exciting, but I mean, you saw the store. It was a little rough looking and definitely not dripping in new product. I hope you're having a great day, and I hope your trips to Tuesday morning are super successful. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.